Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Smart Preparation to Success. As a part of our UPSC EPFO MCQ series, today we are going to practice 25 MCQs subject computer application. This is a set 2. In the last video, we have practiced 25 MCQs, now 25 MCQs. So all the best to everyone. Let's start. First question. The primary difference between hardware and software is that hardware performs logical operations, software stores data. Hardware is tangible, software is intangible. Hardware can be copied easily, software cannot. Both are physical components. The correct answer is option B. Next question. Which component acts as communication backbone between CPU, RAM and peripheral devices? North bridge, system bus, south bridge, BIOS. The correct answer is option B, system bus. Next question. The function of motherboard chipset is to store data permanently, control the flow of data between CPU, memory and peripherals, manage power supply, provide graphical output. The correct answer is option B. The next question. The firmware of a computer is stored in hard disk, RAM, ROM, or flash memory, virtual memory. The correct answer is option C. The next question. In computer architecture, the fastest memory is cache memory, primary memory, secondary memory, flash memory. The correct answer is option A, cache memory. The next question. Which of the following correctly represents memory hierarchy? Highest to lowest speed. Register, cache, RAM, hard disk, cache, register, RAM, hard disk, RAM, cache, hard disk, register, hard disk, RAM, cache, register. The correct answer is option A. The next question. The process of dynamically allocating memory blocks as required by program is handled by memory scheduler, memory management unit, CPU scheduler, file system manager. The correct answer is option B, memory management unit. The next question. Which input device uses light to convert written or printed text into digital data? Scanner, OMR, barcode reader, micer. The correct answer is option A, scanner. Next question. The BIOS performs which of the following functions at startup? File management, post power on self-test, virtual memory mapping, program loading from disk. The correct answer is option B. Next question. Software that acts as intermediary between user and hardware is compiler, application software, operating system, firmware. The correct answer is option C. The next question. Which of the following is an example of system software? MS Word, Chrome browser, Linux kernel, Photoshop. The correct answer is option C, Linux kernel. Next question. The main difference between volatile and non-volatile memory is volatile memory is slower, volatile memory stores program permanently, non-volatile memory retains data after power off, volatile memory is optical. The correct answer is option C. The next question. Which type of memory is used by the CPU to temporarily hold data during processing? Hard disk, RAM, ROM, flash. The correct answer is option B, RAM. Next question. 1 megabyte is equal to. The correct answer is option B. The next question, which of the following is not an input device? Keyboard, joystick, printer, mouse. The correct answer is option C. The next question, the unit that interprets program instructions and initiates control operations is ALU, memory unit, control unit, input unit. The correct answer is option C, control unit. The next question, the purpose of secondary memory is to perform arithmetic operations, temporarily store instructions, store data permanently, process user input. The correct answer is option C, store data permanently. The next question, the term software suite refers to a collection of hardware tools, a set of related software programs, a group of device drivers, a software and hardware combination. The correct answer is option B. The next question, which of the following is measured in hertz? Memory capacity, processor speed, hard disk size, storage bandwidth. The correct answer is option B, processor speed. The next question, which software acts as translator between user level language and machine code? Compiler, assembler, interpreter, all of the above. The correct option is D, all of the above. The next question, the process of managing the use of main memory by program is called memory or segmentation, memory management, paging, swapping. The correct answer is option B, memory management. The next question, which device converts digital data to analog for transmission over telephone lines? Router, modem, switch, repeater. The correct answer is option B, modem. The next question, virtual memory is a concept that increases ROM capacity, uses part of hard disk as a RAM, stores BIOS data, manages cache memory. The correct option is B, uses part of hard disk as RAM. The next question, the capacity of memory is expressed in terms of clock speed, bits or bytes, word size, frequency. The correct answer is option B, bits or bytes. The next question, which of the following best defines the memory hierarchy principle? Memory is organized based on alphabet order. Faster memory is smaller and expensive. Slower memory is larger and cheaper. All memory types operate at same speed. Memory hierarchy is used for backup storage only. The correct answer is option B. These are the 25 questions. Practice well. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.